In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a low FPS effect, which means making your video look like it's playing at a lower frame rate. This effect is often used for stop motion style edits, dramatic scenes, or stylized music videos. Let's begin. First, select the clip on your timeline. Now go to the effects panel. In the search box, type Posterize Time. You'll find it under Video Effects in the Time section. Drag the Posterize Time effect onto your clip. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see the frame rate option. By default, it will match your sequence frame rate. Now, reduce the frame rate value. For example, change it to 12 frames per second. You'll immediately notice the motion becomes choppier. If you reduce it further to 8 frames per second or even 6 frames per second, the video will look even more stuttered and stylized. Play the clip back to see the low FPS effect in action. The lower the frame rate value, the more dramatic the effect. Here you can also apply Posterize Time to an adjustment layer if you want the effect to apply to multiple clips at once. And that's it. You now know how to add a low FPS effect using Posterize Time in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.